trial and crosses. Another trial for another young Jamaican footballer. Cavalier forward Alex Marshall is off again, this time to Greece for a month-long trial and crosses. Of course, we wish Alex Marshall well. He's one of the best football talents to come out of Jamaica in recent years. And we sincerely hope he gets a contract. But me not lie. I'm tired and I'm fed up of this trial business. I mean, we're not saying Marshall and other Jamaican players should not go on these trials, because really and truly, the experience can only do them good. But the end product is not there. The ball of them not getting no contract. The entire Jamaica football cycle needs Alex Marshall and or any other young player to get a break. Marshall's club, Cavalier, continues to lead the way in busing the young players. Cavalier needs to collect a substantial transfer fee to keep the flames of hope burning and to keep the pot on the fire. We cannot afford to lose another generation of young players. Right now, we are very, very desperate, even as we say big up and good luck to Alex Marshall on this latest trial. No, sir. Trial and crosses. Trial and crosses every day.